What's up, YouTube? This is my first video. I'm going to be taking out my new Prowler 12 John boat. I got a new Minn Kota trolling motor, and I got a boat trailer that I just got from my uncle. And we're going to be doing a little fishing and working on this boat to make our front deck and everything. And we're just going to have a good time. So, yep, I'll show it to you real quick. Right here it is. It's 12 foot. Like I said, it's a little dirty. But yeah, we're going to be putting a front deck on it and maybe some wood right around here. See, I've already tested to see if that thing goes on there. A little dirty back there and everything. I have to put the plug in, but we'll see how it goes. So I'll see you there. Okay, so after a little while, I have just got this done. I did just make that. It did rain in the meanwhile, a little bit. But, I mean, don't look too bad in there, don't it? But yeah, we'll be taking this out. Just got a new bait caster last night. And, yeah, so, I'll hook onto this thing. Here's the trailer. Not just in perfect condition, but it works, you know? So, yep. Alright, well, we'll see you out there. I have about 8 or 9 tackle boxes to fit inside of here. I got the rods, trolling motor, but yeah, I'm about to start these things. So, yep. Alright, we got everything in this box. It's decently organized, but here it is, and we're about to start fishing. You know, got a little bit of room for everything. We got the bait casters, and catfish pole. I think we're just gonna fish for bass for right now, but alright, well, we'll see you when we get fishing. Starting to bass fish out here. The video might be a little crooked. Perfect cast. I'm gonna let this sink for a minute. Need to get a chair in here. Fishing with a Senko. I got hit. Yeah, I got hit super hard. Alright, we're getting deeper. I'll let it sink. What do y'all think about that? Rate it out of 10 in the comments, please. I want to think what y'all's opinion on it is. And any upgrades to this boat, really. The next big purchase I plan on getting is one of them 12-foot John boat trackers at the local Bass Pro Shop. They're around $1,500. Go around mowing yards and stuff. Get to buy that next year. See, this pond isn't very stocked, so we might not catch anything. Came out. Might try to catch some bluegill. That's probably what I'm about to do. y'all think about that bait. Look, short Senko. Perfect. Gotta get that bullfrog. I'm about to start bank fishing because obviously this boat fishing ain't working. Alright, we're gonna see what we can do getting on this trailer. Alright. I do not know how this is gonna go, so I might turn off the camera. Alright. So the boat didn't work, so now we're about to just start bank fishing. I mean, yeah, the boat did work, but we didn't have no luck fishing in it. We'll try that probably tomorrow or something. Move down over there. That's a pretty view. I've had a good time. I hope y'all had a good time watching this. I know this probably wasn't my best video, but I do know that it's my first. I'll try to get better, and I'll watch it when it uploads. If YouTube doesn't take it down for some reason. Not a good guess. But yeah, I had a good time filming and everything, so hope y'all had a good time watching it, and yeah. I know it's probably not the best film session because I'm literally using a tripod, but I plan on buying one of them chest straps and head straps, probably from the TikTok shop or something. But yeah, I'm just a kid that fishes and hunts and traps and everything. I do play sports. I play football and basketball. I'm not gonna say my age, but I'm almost old enough to have a permit, so. I do have a boating license though. Because in Arkansas, you can get them at 12. So yeah. My goal this year is just to get to 100 subscribers. I did have a TikTok account, if you want to go follow that. Easton F13 with a football profile. That's mine. I do play a lot of football. But I might create a new account on TikTok just about like my daily life, like this, that y'all can go follow if you want. Alright, well, I think I'm probably done fishing. I got school tomorrow. And I gotta go get ready. Pack my lunch and stuff. So, I hope y'all had a good time. And I had a good time fishing with my new reel and with y'all watching. And go click that like and subscribe button, please. And yeah, so I enjoyed my first video. So, yeah. Peace, y'all.